Hello and welcome. In this part 2 of the photo list, I now have almost all the countries, starting with Afghanistan to Zimbabwe. So in this column we have the name of countries, and in this column I want the photos to be loaded automatically. So once we click maybe a button, so let me create a simple button here. So that is insert, so illustration, then you pick maybe a rectangular button and you put it here. So once we click this button, photos will load in this column. So this is a continuation of part 1. So let us go to the developer tab where we still have the previous code, that is the national flags. So at this point I want to add more information here. That is, if we have any content in column B, it should be cleared. So we simply write range B. So here we have that is range B, B2 to B198. So that is where we have our last photo, and then close bracket dot clear contents. So if we have any text there, so once we run this code, the text is to be cleared. So clear contents. So that way. Then here we can adjust this part here and say cells, that is do while cells in column A. So all those cells in column A, so starting with the second row, so the one there represent column A is not empty, so then we loop this code here. So let us try that one. So we can run by clicking this green button here. So let us start with this one before we go to this blue button here. So click to run the macro. So the photos are still loading, and those are the photos. So loaded up to Zimbabwe, so the 198 countries. So as you can see, those are the photos from different countries. So starting with Afghanistan. Now I want us to clear all the photos, and then we load them using the this blue button here. So delete the flags, then right click on the blue button, then assign the macro. So the macro is called photo list, then OK. So if I click away from this button, now it will become active. Once I click the blue button, all the flags will be loaded here. So let us click. So now the photos are loading. So that is all the flags. And those are the flags. So that is how we can load, by clicking this button here. So let us go back to the macro and we see how these flags or the photos can be loaded here by typing the name of the country here. So any country, if you type it here, its flags appear here in form of we shall have them in form of a list as shown here. So let us see how that one can be done. So all those are the photos. So we go back to the code. So let me press F8 to clear the photos. And then let us delete the names of countries, and also we can clear this button. So in VBA we shall click on sheet 1 and then here we type so this is sheet 1, then click on worksheet and then select change. So then here let us type a simple code. So we shall say if not intersect target. So the target here is column A, so which is range A2, so where the name of the country starts, to A198. So close brackets again, is nothing, then so we end if, so end if. Then here it is just a simple code where we call this macro. So you simply type call photo list. So that way, so that is the photo list. And then now if you type the name of a country here or anything, the code will be activated. So for example, let me type Kenya and then enter. So the flag appear automatically. Then below here type Tanzania and the flag of Tanzania appears. So type Egypt and the flag of Egypt appears. USA, UK, so that is USA was here. Then we have Uzbekistan, that is the flag of Uzbekistan. Maybe Ecuador, and then Cuba, and then France, South Africa, then you can type India, Croatia, Singapore, so in case you type you make an error, so whereby you type the name of a country wrongly. So for example, instead of Zambia, you just leave it that way. So what happens? So it tells you there is no photo, or the flag is not found. So if you correct the spelling, and then the flag of Zambia appears. So maybe we try Russia. So that is the flag of Russia. Italy. So Italy. So we have typed Italy wrongly, so forgot to put I. So I there, Italy, and that is the flag of Italy. Ghana. So Ghana with the black star. Then Senegal. So let us try another one, Chile. So we have that as the flag, and so on. So that is how you can automate the different flags, or that is the photos in a list, by just typing, and the photo appears automatically. So if you clear these names here, so the photos also, or the flags, will clear. So let us clear, and they clear, and so on. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next video.